my only concern was not being able to watch The Office
Right.
on Netflix, and that was my main temptation for getting the cock.
Right.
But somebody actually sent me a message on social media and suggested that I take advantage of a current sale on Vudu right now, where they have the entire series for $35.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do that.
Yeah,
and not worry about the cock.
That's your best bet, because I bought the Girlfriend, the entire series on DVD box set.
Yeah.
Because I saw an opportunity. I'm like, some people who own these things are gonna start charging up the ass for it.
Yeah.
So I bought one for like $50. I'm slowly building my collection of Parks and Rec seasons.
Oh my God.
Got a few more to go.
That's right.
But hey man, your doomsday kit. Gotta be ready.
I will miss Parks and Rec, but not enough to get the cock.
No.
May starts off strong. May 1st, Black Widow.
Black Widow.
Black
See,
Widow.
I'm much more excited.
Look, our policy is, if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, I hate you.